shores whisper in choking fog. All that remains unseen crawls through the lifeless bog. How long must borders bleed? How far must silence grow? Torn from each other's reach, nowhere left to go. Wolf paths in cursed lands coil toward hollow trees, each step a breath of dust swallowed by dying breeze. Perhaps we're meant to fall, cast to the dusk and stone, to walk the buried road, broken and all alone. Jagged teeth grins through the deadened light. Its claws dig into hearts, freezing the urge to fight. But as long as my veins whisper with embers glow, nothing shall feed the dark, nothing shall reap my soul. I summon storm and flame, speak with a bitter tongue. Where once the grass had grown, only the ashes hung. I stumble home through lies to where the dead still climb.